front of me is TECNO Spark 20C, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by accessing tab menu and looking for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is blue, which means that auto rotation is on. To turn it off, hit the same tile again. You can also go into Devices Settings, click on Display and Brightness and scroll down. Then tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!